Ashley, you won't believe what happened yesterday.
Whoa, Tom, what's wrong? You look upset.
I went to the hair salon. I said cut a little, and they cut almost everything.
Oh, no, poor Tom. Your hair does look much shorter.
I only wanted a small change, just a little, but now my head feels so light.
Let me guess. You wanted a trim, not a cut.
A trim? What's that? I thought cut a little was clear enough.
Not always. At the salon, words matter a lot. One wrong word and goodbye hair.
Oh, that's exactly what happened to me.
Don't worry, Tom. Today, we'll practice 12 simple lines for the hair salon. Slow and clear, step by step.
Really? The next time I won't lose half of my hair?
Exactly. Let's go to the salon together and start learning.
This salon looks nice. I hope I don't lose more hair today.
Don't worry. Let's start with the first and most important words, trim and cut.
Last time I said cut a little and they cut too much.
Exactly. Cut can mean a lot off, but trim means only a small change.
Oh, so if I want just a little, I should say trim.
Right. Let's practice. Say with me, I want a trim.
I want a trim.
Just a trim, please.
Just a trim, please.
Perfect. Now you know the difference. Next, let's talk about the front of your hair. Great. Now let's talk about the front of your hair.
Last time I said front hair and the hairdresser looked confused.
You should say bangs. In British English, people also say fringe.
Oh, bangs. So if I want short hair in the front, I say I want bangs.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say with me, I want bangs.
I want bangs.
Soft bangs, not too short.
Soft bangs, not too short.
Perfect. Now you can explain the front clearly. Next, let's add some shape. Now, let's make the style more interesting. Do you remember what you said last time?
Yes, I said make my hair thinner.
Right. But when you say make it thinner, the hairdresser thinks you want less hair everywhere. That is dangerous.
Ha, yes, they always cut too much.
What you really wanted was layers. Layers mean some hair is longer, some hair is shorter. It gives your hair shape and movement, but you still keep the hair.
Oh, so layers are not the same as thin everywhere. Layers are just different lengths.
Exactly. Think about a cake. One cake, many layers. Your hair can also have many layers.
Ha, that's easier to understand.
Good. Let's practice. Say with me, I want layers.
I want layers.
Layers to add movement.
Layers to add movement.
Perfect. Now you can ask for layers and still keep your hair safe. Now, let's talk about something very common. Many people want their hair to look healthy, but they don't want it shorter.
Yes, sometimes I only want to fix the ends, but I don't know how to say it.
Last time, what did you say?
I said, don't change my hair but also fix it. The hairdresser looked confused.
I can imagine. The right way is simple. Say, keep the length. That means don't cut it short.
Oh, keep the length. That means my hair stays long.
Exactly. And if you want only the tips cut, say just the ends. That means only a very small part at the bottom.
Ah, so I should say keep the length and just the ends.
Perfect! Let's shadow together. Say with me, please keep the length.
Please keep the length.
Just the ends, please.
Just the ends, please.
Great! Now you can keep your long hair and still make it healthy. Tom, do you know why people sometimes cut just the ends?
Maybe because the hair looks old.
Yes, but the real problem is split ends.
Split ends? I once said broken hair and the hairdresser gave me a strange look.
I can see why. Broken hair sounds like your whole hair is damaged, but split ends are only the very tips. The hair splits into 2 or 3 tiny pieces at the end.
Oh, so it's just the bottom part of the hair.
Exactly. Imagine a rope. At the end, the rope opens into many little strings. That is like split ends in your hair.
Oh, now I understand. I should say split ends, not broken hair.
Perfect. Let's shadow together. Say with me, I have split ends.
I have split ends.
Please cut the split ends.
Please cut the split ends.
Great. That way, your hair looks healthy, but you don't lose much length. Now, let's talk about how you separate your hair.
Last time I told the hairdresser, make my hair to go this way. And I pointed with my finger.
That can be confusing. The clear words are side part or middle part.
Oh, the middle part means the line is in the center.
Exactly. Side part means the line is on the left or right side.
So I should say, I want a middle part or I want a side part.
Perfect. Let's shadow. Say with me, I want a middle part.
I want a middle part.
I want a side part.
I want a side part.
Great. Now you can explain your style clearly. Tom, sometimes your hair feels too heavy, right?
Yes, last time I told the hairdresser, make my hair thinner and he looked confused.
That's the problem. If you say make it thinner, they may think you want less hair everywhere.
Oh, so they might cut too much.
Exactly. The correct word is thin out. Thin out means the hairdresser uses scissors to remove just a little here and there so your hair feels lighter, but you keep the same style.
So thin out is only a small change.
Right. Let's practice. Say with me, please thin out my hair.
Please thin out my hair.
Thin out, not cut short.
Thin out, not cut short.
Perfect. Now your hair can feel light, but still look the same. Tom, sometimes hair looks flat, right?
Yes, my hair goes down and looks small.
That's when you need more volume. Volume means the hair looks bigger, full, and not flat.
Oh, I see. Last time I said make it big, but the hairdresser laughed.
Yes, make it big is funny. The correct way is add volume.
So if I want my hair to stand up and look full, I should say add volume.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say with me, please add volume.
Please add volume.
I want more volume on top.
I want more volume on top.
Perfect. Now your hair can look full, not flat. Great job, Tom. We finished the first 8. Those are the most common words.
Nice. I feel more confident already.
Now let's learn 4 advanced words. First is blow dry and blow out.
I know dry my hair, but what's blow dry?
Blow dry means use hot air to dry the hair with a hair dryer. Very basic.
Okay, that's simple. And blow out?
Blowout is more special. It means dry the hair with style, smooth, shiny, and full of volume.
Oh, so blow dry is just dry. Blowout is style.
Exactly. Let's shadow. Say with me, please blow dry my hair.
Please blow dry my hair.
I want a soft blowout.
I want a soft blowout.
Perfect. Now you can ask for simple drying or a styled finish. Now let's talk about hair color. Do you dye your hair, Tom?
No, but my friend does. She always says fix the top color.
The right words are touch up roots.
Touch up roots? What does that mean?
Roots are the new hair at the top of your head, close to the scalp. When the hair grows, the roots show your natural color. Touch up means fix only that part, not all the hair.
Ah, so it's not the whole head, just the new part at the top.
Exactly. Let's shadow. Say with me, please touch up my roots.
Please touch up my roots.
Touch up the roots only.
Touch up the roots only.
Perfect. Now you can explain clearly when you need only a small color fix. Now, Tom, some people want more special color styles.
Yes, I once said, make my hair colorful, and the hairdresser was confused.
That's cute, but not clear. The correct words are highlights, lowlights, and balayage.
Okay, what are they? Please explain slowly.
Sure. Highlights mean some pieces of hair are lighter than the rest.
Oh, so like little bright lines in the hair.
Exactly. Lowlights are the opposite. Some pieces are darker.
So highlights equals lighter, lowlights equals darker. Got it.
Perfect. And balayage, that means the color is soft and natural. No sharp lines, just smooth blending from top to bottom.
Oh, balayage looks like sun-cased hair, right?
Yes, very natural. Let's shadow together. Say with me, I want highlights.
I want highlights.
Or lowlights for darker pieces.
Or lowlights for darker pieces.
Balayage makes the color soft and natural.
Balayage makes the color soft and natural.
Tom, do you know some people ask for small pieces of hair to make their face look nicer?
I once said, cut some hair for my face. But the hairdresser looked confused.
That's because the right phrase is face framing pieces.
Face framing pieces? What does that mean?
It means a few shorter pieces of hair around your face. They frame your face like a picture frame.
Oh, so they are not bangs, just a little hair around the face.
Exactly. Not bangs, not layers everywhere, just small pieces in the front. They make your face look softer. Let's practice. Say with me, please cut some face framing pieces.
Please cut some face framing pieces.
Small face framing pieces, please.
Small face framing pieces, please.
Perfect. Now you can explain this style clearly. Today we learned 12 useful phrases for the hair salon.
From basics like trend, bangs, layers, and split ends.
To advanced ones like blowout, touch-up roots, highlights, and face framing pieces.
Now you can explain exactly what you want in English.
Which phrase was the most useful for you? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more slow English. See you next time.